everyone, today we are going to be making a dinosaur postcard. So, you'll need some cardstock, you'll need a pen, unless you're doing a pencil. You'll need some scissors, and if you're doing a pencil, bring some erasers. Then, if you're not like clipping it up with a small clip, then you'll need some of these. Then you'll need two kinds of stencils. You'll need a dinosaur kind and some ABC kinds. You'll also definitely need some flower stickers, because what's a land without flowers? So, let's get started. You'll get your dinosaur stencils. You'll choose what dinosaur you want, put it down, then you'll write it. And when you're writing it, just write in a stencil. And then if you're doing like a stegosaurus like I am, the tail might be a little hard, but that's okay. Just do the best you can. Then I have to draw all of the stegosaurus's spikes, which is kind of hard, but I'll try to make it quick. Then it'll look like this. Then you're going to get your scissors, and don't cut it yet, so just cut it kind of like this. Around it, but not completely. See? Then it should look like this. Then we're going to set those to the side. Everything on my way. Then you're going to get the other color of cardstock that you like to use. Then you're also going to need some glue. So, get your glue. Then glue on back of your dinosaur that you just made. Then glue to the cardstock. Make sure that you really smash it down good. Once you're done with that, you'll get some of these stickers. Choose which flowers you want, and put them at the bottom at each side, like this. Then you'll set those to the side. Then if you don't have a foam heart that says that, love you, then you can just get some of your cardstock. I don't have another one. So you'll get your cardstock, or at least one of them. Then I'm going to get this colored. Then I'm going to just get colors so I did have a foam one, and I cut it out like this. Then I use that as a stencil. So if you have a foam heart that says love you, then also get that. Put your pen to the side. Get your scissors back out. Then cut around the heart. Then with this heart, you want to cut around it completely. Like this. Then we're going to get our heart, get our pen back, and we're going to write love you. And if you want to write your I don't know what that coming off, but we're going to be doing this again. So you'll get your heart. If you want to do it an O, that's fine. If you want to do a heart, that's also good. By V, E. Then we're just going to write U like this. Then we're going to get our glue back out. Then we're going to glue it to our paper on the top. Then at the bottom of our heart, we're going to write dinosaurs. Then at the bottom, you can write your name if you want. Then if you want to, you can write the name of your dinosaurs, your name of the dinosaur. Mine's going to be wick number 2. So for that, before you write it, you'll need these stencils. And then you'll write the name. Stencil. I'm going to write like a little deal around mine, a border. So right. So this is how it should look. Oh, forgot about the clip. Where's that clip? Oh yeah. So you'll get your clip, then you'll clip it down to it. Then you have one. Bye.